No, it's not an overkill. Actually, it's a question of honor. There's a song ni Sarah Brightman, you want to buy this. It's a question of honor. Alam mo, we fight a war. And as the revolutionary ideology would put it, it's a kind of ideological cannibalism because you devour your own kind. You kill your own brother and sisters in dining on the altar of revolution. Manang giingon ka kaning revolution kanon sa usa-usa ang iyang isip ka Pilipino. Kanon ko niya. It is a war among Filipinos, your countrymen. Ang dili ng maayong hitabo. Ako'y pwesto, Hiray. And sa Central Mindanao, patawagan ako mga mayor sa tanan na itong governor because ako lang ipalagan ang kantong mga explosion ng mga masa eskwelahan. At itong mga granada sa campus sa sundalo, IED, di naman na mapunggan, pwede man po nato ng buhaton. I could always say to the armed police, use it also, but we are governed by police. If we are in government, we're kind of not allowed to do that. Pero katong nahitabo karon, as I understand, there was a rules of use. Murag pasangil ba, pati mong na ay murder nga to case. There was a murder case there to be solved. And that is why, ana mayon nga na ay patay, musulod yun ang SOCO, crime of the scene operation. Muna nga, kinahalaman sila mo investigar nga to. Unfortunately, ang gigo ang mga taga-SOCO. Ang SOCO fundamentally is a police organization under the police organization. Pero dili na sila combatants. They are not even allowed to, they don't bother to bring in mga baril. Kaya nila pag-abot magkudana nga itong human ng enkwentro o ng patay, una sila masulod. Ngari, kuan sila, bomba. It was a well-laid trap. Pag-abot nga ito, dili niya tinuod o niya so it included a woman. Si Maranao. She was buried following the rites of the Muslim religion. She was expressed only one day. Nabilin, ang bay pa kinaabtan pa na ako. And sadly, I am sad also about PPA. Di na lang ko masako sa ila or nawad ano ko. Tanaw, you don't do that malice. Kung nakita niyo mo ng patrolya na diha, pero kanang imong na ay patay na rin murder niya. Di ba umagit sila mabot ang mga investigador? So, but anyway, kung mga Pilipino, so tanawa ninyo, style. Di ganit kung mo condemn na ako'y naluoy nila. Gano'n lang. Di ko mo yung kondenar sa ilang gibuhat. Uma naman patay naman naluoy ko sa iyo. Kung anong imong style, pagka-pobre ni mong pagkasundalo ko. Muna imong saligan, mga pang-goberno, patay.
Sir, good afternoon. Before I put it to 587 po sa Manila. Sir, ano po magiging epekto nitong pagpatay sa apat na bilis sa peace talks with the NPA?
Wala parang peace talks. It's totally outside. So, in the meantime, I will just also ask the armed forces and the police just go ahead and wage a war against them. Kunya, anything goes for mo. And I will allow the police and the military this time to use all available assets. Mito nilang matibag kong aeroplano, mga jet. Makita ni mo na giinan kung man sila isuro naman. Use them. Gamita ang mga rockets. Kung naay collateral damage, pasensya.
Sir, Dundun Dingay of Star Davao. Sir, so with this latest incident, tuloy pa rin po ba ang all-out war against them and continuous relations to
Look, right at the start of my administration, so good pa lang nako, naninguha nako nga makikistorya kanila ng mga rebelde. Padala ko nga to, ibisari kang Murbiswari, nisugot siya. Nakikistorya ko si Philip, nisugot sila nga mag-istorya lang ta, dili ta mag-ira. Then I went to the communist. Initially, there was this parameters lang. Muna hindi nako gusto diha. Kana ceasefire nga ceasefire nga bunganga lang. Wala boundary yung asa taputo. So what happened? Declare sila ceasefire effective February 10. February 4, ipangpatay na nila akong sundalo o polis. Wala tayo, mas mayo man na ingon ani ba? Mo to na ko sa ila. Because the Filipino would never want them in power. I would insist on that theory. Kamu gusto mo? Kamu dia sa likod, gusto ba mo? Oo nga. Tanawan ng dinadaan mo, ingon ana, magpatay kang tao nga tikas. Sana mga babae nga imbestigar lang. Kung sa may honor, ana, kaya ako mag-ugdas ako nila, naluoy ko nila. Kaya basig mag-away patag 50 anyos sa tanggaway. So we extend it to another 50 years. Pero never will have they will have never would have the chance really sila to gain power. Ang mga tao may di gusto. May gusto pang mga tao doon na silang daog. Kung pumili mo, kami, mali po doon, di mo ta perfecto. We have had our faults, plenty of it, actually. But we try to correct it along the way. Pero wala tayong injustice ngayon, anak.
Good afternoon, Marita Mahay, PTV4. Sir, ano po ba sa inyo dito sa nangyayari nito? Anong mensahe yung nais ipaabot sa inyo sa palagay niyo?
Sa Pilipino, well, I'm sorry that this gory incident had happened. But I can assure everybody that the armed forces and the Philippine National Police will respond. This time I'm using I have encouraged the police to call in the air assets. Natin yung bagong jet, make use of the rockets sa bomba. Lansahan ng bukid o bomba niya. Okay, tanawang reaksyon sa mga tao. Sa mga tao. Hindi mo mumutuo. Yung nanta mo mag-istorya lang ta, para magkausan ta, magsuon man ta, ginaluan ninyo Kasi ba gusto patay? Ikaw gusto patay? Hindi ko na ngisi na. Anything else? Why? What happened to her? I don't know. She's up at the Commission on Appointments. CSI was taken out allegedly for lying about his citizenship. I don't know what happened, but kami ni Asay roommates. But sometime pag-declare o martial law, nawala na siya. Silang dalawa ni Maceda because they were in the list of wanted. Ginapangita sa police. The next thing I knew, the surface sa Amerika na maybe base dito gitagaan sila temporary asylum. And of course, a travel document para makatravel po sila to other parts of the world. But they were avoiding Philippines because they were wanted here. After the martial law years, they came back. I don't know really what happened along the way. But definitely I can say that Yasai was there, not of his own choice, to live in America, but rather they were seeking asylum. Then tawagan na sa Bisaya ng yawa. Nagpapid-pid sila dito sa Amerika para di sila madako pa prison.